Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Grissom AFB, local and long-distance movers near me. Even if the move is within the same state, if the distance is more than 50 miles, it's considered long distance. When you relocate inside the same shape, it's termed an interstate move. When you move over state lines, it's called an interstate move. When you can move your items across state lines within the state and locally, we have a great working relationship with the state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We have insurance plans to cover risk liabilities during the relocation. Our movers and drivers are meticulous and deliver your belongings in the same condition as before relocation. Our services are all reasonably priced, so the advantage of you. Local moves are often less expensive than long-distance moves, since so that moves, and you can be sure that ours will be no exception. Our hourly rates are fair and affordable, ranging between $30 and $40 an hour. If you employ our qualified and attentive local movers, you'll get the excellent value for your money. We've dealt with high-traffic areas before and can move your belongings into your new home as quickly as possible. Our professional team of local movers will assist you in making the most nuanced moving decision possible. If you need more proof, ask around. You'll see that we have the best reviews from happy customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grissom AFB moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.